Hello everyone, my name is Johnson from Femtech. Today we'll be looking at Microsoft Word, how to use Format Painter on Microsoft Word. How to use Format Painter on Microsoft Word. The Format Painter is more or less an attribute copier. It enables you to copy attributes of a text, the formatting of a particular text to another. Already I have my Microsoft Word opened. I'll be using Microsoft Word 2019 for this tutorial. In case you are using a lower version of Microsoft Word, you will still get the Format Painter there. It may look a bit different, the settings, but it's still the same function that you will see. Let's get started now with practical. Already I have some text on my page. I have the text. I have the text 1, which is this, the text 2, the text 3, text 4, and text with separate words. Let me add this, text with separate words. I have them on my page. Now I will add some formatting to this text. I will change the font to Bell MT, that is the font character. I will change the size by coming here to 25 on my ribbon under the Home tab, 25. Then I will apply bold to it, still under my Home tab, bold. Then let me apply word art to it by coming to under the tabs here, insert. Then I will locate my word art, which is here, the word art. Let me select this one. Fine. I've applied word art to this. Let me change the color of the text. That is the text field. I will change it to color red. And let me change the outline color to yellow. Fine. Then the text field, that's text effect, let me apply shadow to it. Inner shadow will be better with this. Let me apply inner shadow. Yes, this is nice. Inner, that is inside top left under the text effect. I will apply this. Then let me apply reflection to it. Still under the shape format here. You will see here text effect again, then reflection from the menu that comes down. Reflection, let me apply this one to it, reflection. Now, I have applied some formatting to this text now. Let's see how the Format Painter now works. The Format Painter enables you to copy the attributes of a particular text to another. Now, if I want to make use of the Format Painter, what I need to do is this. I just need to click on this and click on my Format Painter to copy the attributes of this text here to this new one that I want to apply it to. Now, if not for the introduction of the Format Painter that we have on this Microsoft Word, that means I will need to start all over again by designing this text 1 just the same way I did this. But to save my time, what I need to do is this. Already I have this designed, and I want this text 1 to look exactly like this one. So what I need to do is I will click here, then come to my Home tab here. Under my Home tab here, if yours is not on the Home tab, just click on the Home tab, then not far from the Home tab, the first under the Home tab here, you will see Format Painter. The icon there is a brush before the name. A brush, then you will see Format Painter. Click on the Format Painter, then click on the text. And don't forget to select, at least click on the text that you want to copy the attributes. You need to click on the text that you want to copy the attributes before coming to Format Painter. Now, already I have clicked on the text that I want to copy the attributes. Then I will click on my format painter here. Then I will come here to click on the text which I want to apply the attribute to. Fine. Now automatically you see my text1, let me bring it to this side. My text1 has already taken the attribute that is being applied to this exactly the same way. What I have here now has been copied to this one, text1. If I want to do the same thing to text2, still click on the text that you want to copy the attribute. Then go to your format painter here under your home tab. Click on the format painter. It is with a symbol brush. You see a brush there before the name. Click format painter. Click on the text. Automatically the attribute will be copied to that text where you clicked on. Now let's assume I want to apply the same attribute to this text 3 and text 4. Do I need to be doing it one after the other? A shorter way of doing that, I want to apply it text 3 and text 4. I will click on the text which I want to copy the attribute. Now instead of me to left click here once, I will left click twice on it, 1, 2. Then I can come here, click on this, click on this. Then automatically I can even apply it to the next one here because I still have the brush here. I still have the format painter brush. So if I click on this now, it will apply to it. But if I should click on the text with separate words now, automatically it's going to apply to a single word. But I want it to apply to the entire word. So if you're applying the text with separate words, applying the format painter rather to text with separate word, that means to this particular to this word that is more than one. So if you're applying the format painter to a text that is more than one word, what you need to do is what? Left click down, highlight to cover the entire word and drop. Automatically it will apply to everything. But if you do not do that, if you only come and apply it like this and click on it, it will only apply to a single word. But what you want to actually achieve is what I want to achieve is I want to apply it to the entire words there. So to apply it to the entire words, I need to do what? Click on my format painter while the text here is selected. Left click down, highlight the entire words, and it will apply to everything. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section and I will be glad to answer any question. And likewise, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop content like this. Once again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.